Love means different things to different people. One of the things, interesting things, the scientists have found, and specifically is the scientists at the Institute of Heart Math, the pioneering research organization that is studying the human heart in non-traditional ways, beyond simply being a pump for blood in our bodies. One of the things they found is that to create the coherence between the heart and the brain, we focus in the heart, we slow the breathing so that we can trigger the parasympathetic relaxation response and feel the feeling that allows a very specific frequency to be emitted by the heart and transmitted to the brain. That frequency is 0.1 hertz. Our body interprets 0.1 hertz as love. It's where our healing begins. It happens to be a fundamental frequency in what's called the magnetic field frequencies of the earth. If you look at a chart, there's a big spike. That first spike is 0.1 hertz on the planet for the field resonance frequencies, for the magnetics. When we create that in our bodies, we're actually harnessing and riding on the power of the planet that we live on. This is how our bodies interpret love to ourselves. From that place of love and from our own healing, we are freed to love fearlessly in our families and our loved ones without reservation, because we're the best version of ourselves. We become the best version of ourselves, then we can share what we have become freely in the presence of others. And this is, it's difficult to do if we're all caught up in our own angst, our own hurts and our own traumas and our own, everybody has had these. And everybody, we acknowledge that. It's a tough planet, it's a tough life, it's a tough time with the convergence of these cycles. But as we learn to transcend, to become more than those traumas, and this is where our divinity really comes in. Divinity simply means the ability to transcend the perceived limitations of our humanness. They're not real, but the ones that we believe in. So as we become the best version of ourselves, as we transcend our limitations, what we are doing is we are allowing our divinity to breathe into us. And that divinity is what allows us, and it frees us from the shackles and the bonds, the fear in our lives. And when we model that for one another, that is where the love really shines through.